Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you different ways to style your crochet braids, knotless braids, literally whatever braids or twist you have on. So let's get right into the video. Alright, for our first look, we're going for half up, half down vibe. So I start by pulling out 2 pieces of hair in front, and then I gather the top half of my hair and secure it into a ponytail using my band. But I make sure that it is firm enough but not too tight. So in order to hide my band, I take a little bit of braids from the back, from the half down rather, and then I just wrap it around the band. So this helps to make the hair more secure, the ponytail more secure, and it just gives you that eye pony vibe, which I love. And you can just adjust it however you like, and this is how it turned out. So chic, effortless, and it's so perfect for any occasion. Now moving on to the second hairstyle. This is basically a build up, so I just take the pony part and I wrap it like a bun. So always make sure that it is firm enough and comfortable but not too tight. So I just gently pull out a few curls just to add some texture and some movement. So I personally like to pull out just 2 or 3. I don't like it to be a lot. And then you can just adjust the front strands to the side. You can take it to both sides, and this is how it looks. So cute. So for this look, we're doing pigtails, but not your typical one. So you start by dividing your hair into 2 equal sections. Then you take the top half of one side and you secure it with a hairband. But here's the trick: you don't pull all the way through the last loop. And then you take the remaining loose hair and then you wrap it around the base of the bun. This also helps to cover the bun and makes the bun a little bit messy and fuller. So you just repeat the same step on the other side. You also leave some hair down to give that half up, half down look, and this is so cute. This is how it turned out. So for the next hairstyle, you just take a small section of your hair from the front middle of your hair. You leave the sides untouched, then you take a band and you secure it into a ponytail. So you secure the front into a ponytail, then you can take a little piece of hair like some braids to wrap it around to make sure that you hide the band. It's very important to always hide the bands. And then you can just gently pull the ponytail to one side, and this is the look. So you can just take this hairstyle a little bit further by taking that ponytail, that little ponytail in front, and then you just wrap it around to make that bun. And then this is what you get. Like, this is so nice, so simple, so effortless. So to take it up a notch, I twist the side. I twist the first side. I just twist it. I twist it all the way to the back, leaving a little bit for the half down, because I love, if you don't already know by now, I love the half up, half down, and I twist the second part. I just twist it gently, and after I secure it with a band at the back of my head, so it's it's firm and it doesn't just fall off. Honestly, like, if you even see this hairstyle like this, it just looks like an eye bun. After I take the back and then I just put it in front of me, so it looks like this eye bun and then half down. Then also I bring out curls, because like it's bow braids, so like I need to show the curls. So I bring out curls just to, and this is how it looks. This is the look. I love it so much. So you can bring it to the side, you can take it to the back, you can bring both to each side. Then I could also wrap it at the back like a bun, so it's giving 2 horizontal buns, which is super cute. Like, I love this hairstyle. And the next one is my absolute favorite because it's so simple yet incredibly elegant. So you take 2 braids in front of the hair and you pick out one section for the side and twist it neatly. And once it's twisted, you just lift it to the other side to give that soft crown effect, and you secure the twist at the back with a clip or bobby pins. And this style is giving regal, it's giving effortless, it's giving chic vibe, and it is just perfect for so many things. The next hairstyle, you start by sectioning the front part of your hair and dividing it into 2 equal sections, just the front. Then you take them and secure it at the back with a hairband, and then you just like leave it. After you secure your hairband, you just leave it out, so like you just let it be. So I just like this one because it just takes the hair away from the front of my hair, and yeah, because I already like secured that part to the back, so it's very, very nice and it's just very simple. Then you can go a step further by taking a little part and making a ponytail, then you just use your hairband to wrap it around. And mind you, you're leaving out the half down, because like what's a bow braids hairstyle without half up, half down? You're leaving out the half down, then just take like a few braids and wrap it around to make sure that the pony is a bit high, firm, and also to hide the hairband. So after I do that, that's literally the look. Yeah, so I just make sure that it is secure so it doesn't loosen, and then I could like open it wide. Yeah, so this is the look. This is how it looks like. Yeah, and you can also take it a step further by adding bun. So you literally just twist the pony in the middle, twist it into a bun. Nothing too serious, just something messy. And yeah, this is the look. This is giving everything it is supposed to give. I love it so much. So for the next hairstyle, we're just going to take a section of the hair, the front. So we're doing this side, like we're focusing on the side for this one. So this is not like the middle part, this is like a side part. So I just take a little braids in front to the side, and then I pack the middle into a ponytail. I make sure that there's a little at the back to, you know, do the half up, half down hairstyle. So I pack the mini to a ponytail, and then I use my band to make sure that it is secured and tight and firm. Yeah, so after using my band to make sure that it is secure and then it is tight and then it is also firm, I take a little braids, like about 5 or 6, then I wrap it around just to make it firm again and to give it that little bit of eye pony vibe. And after I wrap it, I just wrap it and make sure that everything is tight, everything is secure, because I don't like to use bobby pin. And then I just, you know, frame the ponytail however I want it to be. So sometimes I just like take it to the back, sometimes I try to like bring it forward, and this is the look. It's making the hair look so full, and it's not just like, you know, middle part and all down. It is like so nice, and I love the fact that it just frames my face and just makes, you know, the style look so beautiful and elegant. Honestly, like I love it. Then you can take it up a notch by obviously wrapping it around. Anything that has to do with pony, you can definitely wrap it around. Just wrap it around, and yeah, this is definitely a look. This is a look I would totally rock so many days where I make my braids. And also you could, you know, use this and just take the sides all the way to the back, make sure that it's flat enough, then just wrap it around that bun that you made. And I promise you, it's not even going to loosen. But if you think that, you know, it's not secure enough, you can just use like bobby pins to like just secure it. But yeah, just take the half down, bring it to the front, and this is definitely a look. I love this look so much. Yeah, this is it, and it's just giving that side swoop, half up, half down, every king kind of vibe. So you can just take the, you know, the half down and then wrap it around the bun, so it makes the bun look higher. And there's just this different looks that there's a different look rather that it gives the bun, and this is giving chic and elegant, like it's giving regular. You can also pull down the side swoop parts to give you this side base and then a bun. This is how it looks. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.